Hello, it's Charlie with CompetitiveEdgeProducts.com. I'm excited to share with you some of the details regarding this ultimate hybrid portable basketball hoop model 7U1005. First things first, this is a 54-inch backboard, which is a great size to have in a driveway, and it's tempered glass just like the pros in high school. As you can see in the photo, it has a nice generous overhang. It's about 16 inches. When you include the 18 inches of the rim diameter and the thickness of the backboard, it ends up being closer to 3 feet, so you got a lot of playing area there. It has the crank, the screw jack lift, and that handle comes off if you don't want anybody adjusting the height of your basketball system. 4-inch square poles are the standard on the higher end portable basketball systems, and of course it is powder coated steel to help prevent rust. You can see that the graphics are conservative on this, making it look more like what you would find in a high school, a rec center. It's definitely the higher of the higher end basketball systems. The base on this is very unique. It's considered the ultimate hybrid base, and it is a really good combination of water and sand. A lot of people that have water only bases will put some sandbags on the back of their base to help give it some extra weight. You don't need to do that with this hybrid system. And the cool thing about this base is you still add 19 gallons of water, which is a good heavy amount of water, but you add 5 50-pound bags of sand, giving it that extra stability. And the base also includes the rebounder. In this stock photo, it's gray. On the basketball system that we're advertising here, it's black. It includes a frame pad that goes around the bottom. It also, as you can see in this photo, you have a spring-loaded rim, but it's an arena style, so the springs are covered. The nice thing about this system, it is adjustable from 7.5 to 10 feet, so you can accommodate smaller, younger players that are just learning using smaller junior-sized balls, and you can raise it up to 10 feet. And as you can see, there's a pin in that handle, so you can pull that out and nobody can adjust that height. The nice thing about a portable system is there's no cement required. The base has 2 wheels in the front to make it portable and position it where you'd like to in your driveway. In just a few hours, you're up and playing. In summary, we've got a 54-inch backboard that's measuring horizontally, tempered glass with the arena style padding on the bottom, a generous 16-inch offset with the arena slam breakaway rim, adjusting from 7.5 to 10 feet using the screw jack lift, whose handle detaches. You've got the 4-inch square pole, the base, which is a combo of water and sand with the rebounder built on. At the time of this video, delivery is fast and free. This is too large for FedEx or UPS, so you get a phone call from the freight carrier who sets up a delivery appointment. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit us at CompetitiveEdgeProducts.com.